Larga. It's a scramble in front position. There goes Andiamo Perenzi, moving up now to take the lead. Running outside is a Palawig. Sherbet Fountain, the favorite, is running in third and moving up now by there is a hole in one. And running in fifth is Barati. On the pattern outside is Ace of Diamond. Running by the rear is Accidental Hero, while Velvet Haze is running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we've got Andiamo Perenzi, leads by a head. Running by the rear is a hole in one. Running on the outside, third is a Sherbet Fountain. Bringing back in towards the Palawik is squeezing by the rail. Now is a Barati. And on the outside is a Ace of Diamond, Accidental Hero, and a Velvet Haze. Andiamo Perenzi is still leading the pack, leads by half a length. And getting closer now on the outside is a Sherbet Fountain. Barati is running by the rail now, getting closer now in third, and on the outside is the Ace of Diamond. Fading out the hole in one. It's now Sherbet Fountain, leads by a length and a half. Running in the middle portion is Andiamo Perenzi. Barati is running by the rail now on the inside. And the Ace of Diamond now moving up now to take third. Sherbet Fountain running on the outside. Barati is running by the rail. Sherbet Fountain, Barati, Ace of Diamond is on the outside. Sherbet Fountain leads by half a length. And Barati is running by the rail. Sherbet Fountain. And finally, Sherbet Fountain, Barati, Ace of Diamond.